Hey guys, it's Lee, and today I'm going to show you how to get a soft, dewy, healthy skin look. So I'm going to start by putting on my Banana Boat sunscreen lotion. It is 30 SPF. It's lightweight. You just apply it 15 minutes before sun exposure. It is currently winter, so I felt like it would be best to put some on because the sun rays are still harmful in winter like they are in summer because they do bounce off the snow and hit you back in the face. So super important to put on your sunscreen. Next, I am taking my Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer. It is the dewy one and it is cruelty free. All you have to do is apply to clean skin. You can use it alone or you can wear it under your foundation. I really like this on days where I want to have dewy skin, where I want it to be really healthy looking. Some days I do wear it without any other makeup, but this is definitely a go-to for dewy looks. Now I am going to be taking a combination of my Maybelline Dream BB Fresh in medium deep sheer tint and my L'Oreal Paris Lumi Glotion from True Match. It's 904 Deep Glow. Um, with the BB cream, it blurs perfection, enhances, brightens, adjusts the skin tone, smooths, hydrates, and helps protect with SPF 30. Also, 0% oils or other heavier ingredients are in it. So it has a really easy application. I like it for school days because it's really thin and it just stays on all day. It provides a very light coverage. I just recently bought this glow. You basically dot it on, you blend. It's very easy to blend. It's smooth, and when it's over, it can become very overpowering. You should add a little bit at first and then build it up. But I kind of just slapped it on today, and it turned out really well. So it is a little. It feels a little. It's very watery though, so you have to be aware of that. I do like to pat my makeup products out with my hand to prevent wrinkles, premature wrinkling, make me look older. But and then sometimes after I'm done blending as much as I can with my hands, I will go in with a beauty blender and just try to fix any harsh lines and make sure that everything's evenly blended out. Okay, now I'm taking my LA Colors Browie Wowie Brow Pencil in light medium, and I'm going to create a feathered look on my eyebrows. I really wanted this look to be healthy and natural, so I'm not going too rough. I'm just using short, quick strokes, really following the inside of my eyebrow, trying not to stray outside of the lines. The next thing I'm doing is I'm taking my new Maybelline New York, the City Kits in Pink Edge. It is a eye cheek palette combination, and I really like it. It has a lot of pink tones. The color, I'm using the lightest, it's like a vanilla color, and I'm just applying that as my base. Now I'm going to be taking the taupe, I don't know how to say it, the taupe color, and I'm going to be blending that into the crease. As I said, I want this to be a natural, healthy look, so I won't be doing much except for brightening the eye and adding some dimension in the crease. Now I am going in with my Wet n Wild Megaglo Hello Halo Liquid Highlighter. It is cruelty free and it is in the color 409B Goddess Glow. This is another product that is really easy to just put too much on, and it's like when you pull the applier on, it's gunked up with a lot of product, and you kind of just dab it on and blend it out. On the bright side, it is very easy to blend out, but as I said, you should build it on slowly, just like the other illuminating lotion I have, and it will give a nice glowy look. Next, I'm going to start contouring my face a bit with the Wet n Wild Coloronic bronzer. It's 740 Bikini Contest. I generally do the Korean, what you call Korean contouring, and I more so go in to make the sides of my face smaller, putting it kind of where the jawbone ends and a little under my temple, and just to help build the effect of having a slimmer face. After I get all bronzed up, I take my Milani blush. I'm pretty sure this is in Tea Party Rose or something like that. I can't tell the name because I spilled eyeliner all over it and I can't tell what it is. But this is my go-to blush. I've literally used this for probably 2 years, and I am just applying that above the bronzer, kind of where you'd highlight at. So here I'm taking my Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighting powder. It is 319B Blossom Glow. I own the other, it's more of a golden highlighter, but I am currently living for this pink one. It just matches my skin tone so beautifully. It goes on so naturally. It's just the perfect highlight. And it was really cheap. I think it was probably $3.99 at Walmart. So if you're looking for a cheap, high quality highlighter, Wet n Wild, they got them. Next, I am going to be applying lipstick. I'm going for a matte, kind of a, I don't want to say a matte look. I'm going to be mixing this and to blend the color out because I was going for a lighter, as I said, it's supposed to be a natural look. So I'm going to take my Maybelline Color Sensation 780 Coffee Addiction, and I'm going to be dotting that in the middle of my lips, and then on the outside I'll be taking some Carmex, and I'll go in with a little, it's a concealer brush, but I mean, not everything is used for its purpose here. And I'm going to be blending the lip out until it's seamless, and you'll see that it transition to a more berry lip. I find that it always helps to blend it out with my finger, so I am going over the lip and blending out any fine and harsh lines with my finger, blending, blending, blending. Mm. The last step for this is just mascara. I don't wear lashes really, so I'm taking my Rimmel London Wonder Lash in black, and I'm going to be coating my eyelashes in that. Um, I did do my eyeliner off screen. I forgot to mention that. So this is the finished look. It looks really nice in the sun. It's really natural. And I think I definitely wear this to school because it's just natural and glowy. Please leave a like if you enjoyed the video, if you found it helpful. And please subscribe to this channel if you like it. I post content like this. It's a makeup lifestyle blogging channel. So, yay. Another YouTuber. Woo. Thank you for watching. Bye, guys.